Leonardo DiCaprio was seen lovingly comforting his lady love after his Range Rover got rear-ended by a Mini Cooper while they were driving through the Hamptons in New York. Thankfully, though neither of them were hurt, Nina appeared pretty shaken up. And so, Leo could be seen tenderly stroking Nina's face as they waited by the side of the road. He also comforted the driver of the car, making sure she was unhurt and leading her out of the car. As Leo called for assistance, he proactively placed his arm around her shoulder as she nuzzled into his chest. Oh, who knew there was a caring side to Leo? Well, we are loving it. Anyway, check out all their cute pictures.
For more videos, please subscribe to Hollywood Asia.